Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ThePassionOfIELTS. आज आप राइटिंग टास्क 2 ਦੇ ਆਈਡੀਆਜ਼ ਵੇਖਾਂਗੇ. The topic is latest topic है positive and negatives of eating meat. Few people think eating meat is unhealthy. Do you agree or disagree? ਇਹਦੇ positive points ਵੇਖਾਂਗੇ. ਕੀ positive points ਨੇ? High quality protein. Non-vegetarian foods such as lean meat, poultry, and fish are excellent source of high-quality protein, which is essential for muscle growth, repair, and overall body function. The second point is nutrient density. Meat, especially organ meats, can be rich in essential nutrients like iron, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for various bodily function. The another point is diverse culinary options. Including non-vegetarian options in one's diet can be lead to a wider range of culinary choices and flavors, enhancing the overall variety and enjoyment of meal. The another point is cultural and social factors. In many cultures, non-vegetarian food is an integral part of traditional cuisines and social gatherings, promoting cultural diversity and community bonding. Now, negative point are environmental impact. Meat production, particularly from intensive factory farming, can have a significant negative impact on the environment, including deforestation and water pollution. Another negative point is ethical and moral concerns. Some individuals have ethical or moral objections to consuming animal products due to concerns about animal welfare, cruelty, and the treatment of animals in the food industry. Another point is cultural and religious beliefs. Certain cultures and religions promote vegetarianism or have dietary restrictions related to the consumption of specific animals, which can create social or spiritual conflicts. Another negative point is cost. High quality sources of non-vegetarian protein can be more expensive than plant-based alternatives, which may limit access for some individuals or families.